How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my next project, but I need a help from you guys. But before we get this video started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. You know, if it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And this channel is not a channel that's going to ask you for anything or money, support, or anything like that, guys. All I ever ask for, if I mention anybody in my videos, go check them out. I always leave links below in the description if I mention anybody. So yeah, that's it. That's all I just thank y'all. Support anybody in our community. Our modeling community is big and awesome, and I love it. All right, guys. You know, I've done a couple videos of stuff I was going to do and this and that. Well, I've just put that stuff back up. That 50 model Ford, I put it back up, and I was going to customize it and finish it up. But you know, after I did that one for Tom, that 49 Merc, I'm just not in the mood to do a custom today. I didn't feel like starting that wagon. I don't know, I just been itching to build one of my vintage Johan kits, and the reason I think I want to build this one right here is because there's a story behind this kit. You know, when I was a kid, my uncle had a car exactly like this. Now, of course, you know, it wasn't the race version, but his was white. It was the same body style, 64, and it had the chrome reverse rims on it and stuff. Now, I don't want to build it like that car because I got several of these, and I'll eventually build it like that car. But build his kit, or his actual car. Sorry, not his kit. And when I was a kid, I remember building this to build it like his car. Of course, now back then I didn't paint it. I just bought it straight off the shelf, and luckily it was white plastic, and I just glued it together, and that was it, you know. And I always called it my Uncle Randy's car. But beside the point, we're going to do this. I'll probably do an unboxing of this, show you what's in there. But before we do that, I got something I'm going to ask you, my subscribers, my viewers. We're going to do a little count of what we're going to build this as. All right, I'm going to give you all a vote in this. I got some Fred Katie decals. I got 2 sets. This one right here is Bounty Hunters Dodge, and then here's the little, I've had these decals for years. Now, if you can see that right there, there's the car right there I'd be building. If I build it like this, it's a 64, 65 Bounty Hunters Dodge. White car, red interior. Alright, and then here's more of them right here. Now, these were the other hard top style, you know, or not hard top, but whatever you call them. Y'all tell me, I can't think right now. Just a different roof style. And I think that and there's the different year model. That might be the 65 or something like that. I don't know. But, alright. There's these decals to build that car. Y'all vote if you want this one. And in about a week, I'll decide which one I'm going to build. And then the next one is going to be the Ram Chargers car. And, yeah, you know, Johan did the Ram Chargers car in the flat box. Believe it or not, I do not have that flat box kit. One day, hopefully, I'll get that flat box kit, even though it's the same kit as this. It's just the decals are different. It's the actual Ram Charge, not the recharged. And I think it might have had a fictitious funny car option in it, but, you know, they didn't actually have the funny car, not in the Dodge like that. But, yeah. That's the decals right there. There's that other one, kind of like the Lindbergh version, but here's the one that I'd be building right here. And y'all tell me in the description below, in the comments, you want the Ram Chargers, or do you want me to build the bounty hunters? Y'all tell me below. And if any of my subscribers out there have the original flat box kit, either kit or even just the box. I got so many of these kits, I don't necessarily have to have the kit. But I'd love to have that flat box. If y'all got it, hook me up. I always have my email in the description. Hit me up and we can either do some trading or buying or whatever. Alright guys, let's open this bad boy up and see what's in here. You can see right here, it even has on the box art the old Ram Chargers, you know, remnants of the box art, you know. And there's the recharged. Let me get this thing open. This is what we got. We got the clear glass. Let's put that over to the side. We got the decals, destructions. Johan 64 Dodge Super Stock. You see the engine right there. Beautiful engine. Super simple instructions. You can see right there, putting the sidewall headers, or what do you want to call them, sidewell headers, whatever you want to call them things, come out the side. Very nice kit. Yeah, they're not a lot of detail as far as the chassis and stuff, but I don't care. I love these vintage kits. I'd soon have a vintage kit and the screw bottom chassis or the simple chassis than all, you know, 100% correct. It just ain't me. I'm not worried about it. I'm a vintage kit lover. Love them. These Johan kits were my favorite kits of all time. You can see the very simple instructions. Nothing to them. Gonna be a really easy build, other than, you know, having to deal with all that chrome foil. But let's check this out. Here's the chrome tree. You can see the valve covers, the grill, the chrome reverse rims, the tail light bezels, and the bumper. Now, of course, them rims will have to be stripped because we'll be not having chrome rims on it. They'll be white, more than likely. So there's that. Here's the awesome two-piece headers. That looks like fuel pumps or something going on there. Your carburetors, your two engine halves and transmission, belts, seat belts, your heads. Oh yeah, water pump, oil pan. Let's see what's on this tree right here. That is your hood scoop, your hood, your intake, your radiator, wheel back, steering wheel, battery, wheel pins. Oh man, bunch of loose parts in here, guys. You got the back seat, the very yellowed and old decals. You got front seats. You got one of the side glass and the other one's in the bottom. There's the headlights, tail lights, dash, and let's see, you got your front tires, typical Johan front tires. Then you got your back, what they call them, a cheater slick. Get those on there. Look at that. Race Master Super Stock. Look at that. Look at the tread. Those are some awesome tires right there, guys. Let's put all this stuff back in here, and then I'll show you the body and everything else here. Let's pull it apart. Here is your chassis. I love these simplified chassis. I know a lot of people disagree with me, but I don't care. Everybody build what they want to build. Here's the slots to cut out to put the fender well headers. You got to cut those out. You can see it's got a lot of flash in there. for the fender well headers. Here is the firewall. Pretty good detail on the firewall. Here is the interior tub. Back seat delete. Very nice. And here is this most excellent body. Yeah. Very, very sexy body. I think the only thing that would keep this one from being your stock as the original Johan would probably have the emblems for it on the side here, you know, or whatever. But, well, it's got emblems right here. I don't know. There might not have been a side emblem there. I really don't know, guys. Tell me if you know. There's the little Dodge Star thing down there, so it's there. Yeah. Very crisp and clean body. Looks like it's got a little swirl in the plastic. I don't know. That's in the plastic. That's not... Huh. Must have been something got in when it was molded, but there it is. Very cool kit, guys. All right. Y'all see there? Tell me in the comment section below what you want me to build, and whichever one wins, Bounty Hunters or the Ram Chargers. All right, put it in the description below. Thank you, and I'm out. Bye.